Let's be honest, nobody wants to interact with a chatbot that sounds like a chatbot. What we want at the end of the day is humanized AI. We want to talk to a bot that at least sounds human. And as a business owner, we want our AI agents to sound as human as possible. And one of the clear-cut ways to differentiate a human from AI is some of the words that they're using. Now, there are a lot of overused words through the likes of ChatGPT and other AI platforms that are just being bombarded on blog content, in paid media advertising, on billboards, everywhere, and I can't take it any longer. So we have this list of the most overused ChatGPT words and the most overused ChatGPT phrases, and I want to share them with you now. So here they are. Here's the list. Here are the words you no longer want to be sending out there in your AI-generated emails or ad copy or blog content. Take these words off your list. What you really want to do is throw these words into your customized GPT and tell your customized GPT to never use these words again. So we're talking words like delve. Delve is a word that I've seen used more in the last 6 months than I have the last 6 years. Tapestry, vibrant, landscape, realm, embark, vital, moreover, arguably, unlock. That one's killer. Unlock. I literally look into your spam folder in your email, do a search for the word unlock, and you'll find it hilarious how many emails or email subject lines include the word unlock. Kill that word already. Most overused ChatGPT phrases includes dive into. It's important to know, important to consider based on the information provided. Remember that. Navigating the blank/complexities of, a testament to. Now, these are just some of the most overused phrases and words. I'm not saying don't use these words. Like, heck, use delve. Just know that a lot of people and users out there that are seeing these words are automatically putting on their blinders to your content because they know it's AI generated. And the goal here is to create content that people want to read because they feel or believe this content is coming from a human. If somebody wants to read AI generated content, they'll just put their own prompt into ChatGPT and read it themselves. And we all know how much we love reading AI generated content, not. So just keep that in mind. When you're writing blog content, writing emails, writing ad copy, try to keep it as human as possible. I hope this mail is helpful. I hope this video is helpful for you, and good luck on your journey keeping things human. If you like this video, share, subscribe, all that jazz, and we'll see you next time.